Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Noni here. If you're new here, thank you for coming. Thank you for tuning in. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it, and click that notification button down below so you'll be able to get notification from me when I upload videos like this. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning back in. Thank you for your support so much. I appreciate every bit of it. Thank you. I love you. In today's video, we are going to be making this fine hair that you're seeing here, box braids, an old attachment that I had. I came up with this style and I made it. It's looking so fine. So if you want to know how I achieved this look from scratch to this level, please keep watching. And while you're at it, please do subscribe to my channel. So this is the attachment to be using. Then this is the rubber band to be using. You need to add oil to the rubber band so it doesn't glue to your hair. Then I'll be moisturizing my hair. I've already moisturized the hair before now, so I'm just using aloe vera juice to add to the hair to help soften it a bit, so it will be easy for me to cut or shear the hair. Then I'll be applying my gel to help smooth the roots of the hair so that the hair will be neatly done. It will be looking neat after I finished braiding it. So just watch what I'm doing. Just put your leave-in conditioner, put your butter or your oil, anyone you're using. I've already moisturized my hair, but it looks a little bit dry. That's why I added more leave-in conditioner and cream. So this is how I'll be doing it. When you finish applying the gel, use the rubber band to hold the hair. Don't make it too tight so it doesn't pull your root or it doesn't apply tension to your roots. So this is where I'll be doing it, and just watch me as I do it. Put gel, you put enough gel at the root, press it in so it will be smooth. Use your hand to smooth it out. Then you put your rubber band. So make sure you put oil to your rubber band before you use it. So this is how I am doing it, like this. I hope you're seeing what I'm doing. So like that, smooth it very well. Make sure you hold all there. Then I'll start from the back. Just put the attachment up, then cross the other one to the other, then use the hair as the third attachment leg behind. I don't know how to describe it, but you can watch what I'm doing so you'll be able to understand what I'm saying. Then you braid it down, holding your hair very tightly so that you'll be able to hide it inside the extension, that it doesn't come out, so it will be neat. It will be looking neat when you finished making the hair. Just hold it tight. When you get to where your hair is when you get to where your hair is ending, you just twist it with the other two attachments, then twist it down. I did the box braid because I wanted the hair to be, I didn't want my hair to be flying around, and I wanted the hair to look full, so it doesn't look too slim, because the braid that I did is very tight, so the hair doesn't fly around, because I tend to carry the hair for like maybe 3 weeks or so. So this is how I'll be doing. When I get to the tips, I'll start twisting it down. When I get to the tips, I will coil it down with my fingers. You see what I'm doing, just like that. It's very simple. The difficult part is just to smooth down the root and this thing, but this one is very simple. Just put the attachment under the hair, then use your hand to cross on top of the hair. Use your hand to cross it, to cross the other attachment to the other side. Then take the hair, just like the way you do normal, you braid your natural hair, normal braid, just the way I am doing it. Hold the hair very tight and use your hand to smooth it out as you're going along, so it doesn't fly out or it doesn't make the hair look scattered or dirty. I don't know how to explain it. So you can wear the hair for a very long time. So you need to hold on the hair as you're braid. When you get to the where your hair stopped, you just take the small part of your hair that is remaining, hide it inside the extension and twist it down to the root so it doesn't come out, just as I am doing. I don't know if you're seeing it. I hope the thing is even showing very well. So just like that, the third one, just watch as I'm doing that. I'll do this one slowly so you'll be able to see what I'm saying. Watch. This is the attachment, the crochet attachment. This, you just put it on top. Use your other index finger to go to the other side and take the other leg of the attachment and take the other one, cross it back again, just like that. You keep going, making sure that you're holding the hair and the attachment tightly so it doesn't loosen up, because if you're not able to get this part, the hair will not be neatly done. Then if you realize that the hair you cut is too big, you can shear the hair and add it to the other two legs of attachment that you have. I'm using leg, maybe you can say 2 branches or whatever, but I hope you understand what I'm saying. So to reduce the hair so it doesn't look big on one side, so the size of the attachment will balance with the amount of hair you have, just the way I am doing it, so it will be neatly done. It will be looking neat when you're done, just like that. So guys, I'm trying to do this and just me, nobody's assisting me. I'm trying to make sure I get everything in the video so I don't miss any part of it, so you see the process that I'm taking to make the hair, just like that. Remember to hold it tight. When you get to the tip, yeah, you coil it with your fingers or your hand. So that is it. So guys, we are almost done. If you want, you can cut the hair down, like shear the hair, put the gel on the root, put the rubber band all over the hair, then you start making. You know that is making session that you start. But I started with that, but I later realized that the hair, my cutting or the size was too big, and I didn't want to make it that big, that jumbo twist kind of hair. So I had to start from beginning again to start cutting the hair or shearing the hair in a smaller section so that the hair will be full. So I'm using this my above edge gel. This gel is from above or above. That's the name of the gel. Above edge gel, to smooth out. My front hair is a little short, so I'm trying to make sure I get everything into the gel so that when I put the the rubber band, the thing will be neat, smooth and clean. So that's, you can see what I'm doing. I'm using my rat tail comb to smooth it out, to smooth in the small hairs, to make sure that everything is neatly done, just the way I am doing it. You can see. So if this is difficult for you to do, you can use mirror. Initially I was not using mirror, but now that I have mirror, it's easier for me as I'm shearing the hair or cutting the hair. I'm looking at the mirror to make sure that it's very neat and very smooth. So if you see me looking by the side, just know that I'm looking at my mirror to make sure that it is neatly done, so I don't make hair that at the end I won't be able to carry. So guys, this thing is very simple. It's easy to do. Anyone can do it. It's just if you put your mind to it. It took me like 4 hours to finish the whole hair. It was very easy. Even with the disturbance of the kids, I was able to finish it in 4 hours, which means if you want to do it, if you're very free, within maybe 2 hours or 3 hours, you will be able to finish the hair. This is very simple, and the hair is very lightweight. So this extension or attachment that I'm using is an old attachment that I bought when I I did a ponytail, kinky ponytail. I added it to my rubber band to do my ponytail. So I didn't use all of it. I just bought a crochet twist, so I had to untwist or unravel the twist so it will be in the format that it is now. But you don't have to use everything that I use. You can use your own type. You can use normal kinky hair for this hair if you want to make it. You can still buy your own crochet twist and unravel the twist to still use it. The product I use is Expression. That was the one I bought. I bought like 2 packs then, so I didn't use it. I wanted to make crochet hair, but I was too lazy and had places that I needed to go, so I had to just unravel it and use it to do the ponytail. So since then I've had it. I didn't know what to do with it, so I decided to utilize it to use it to twist my hair, since most shops are not open yet because of the lockdown. So market opens just twice in a week, and it's always crowded. I don't want to go to the market like that for now. So that's how I'm doing it. I'm just trying to use the crochet so it doesn't be a waste for me. But guys, you can use any attachment of your choice. You can use the normal Expression, the Kanekalon, anyone you want to use. But I think this hair will be better with a kinky textured kind of extension. And another thing, this thing is not easy. It's hard work. At a point I was even tired. I was like, oh God, why did I even start? But I just realized that we need to look good no matter the situation, no matter where we are, no matter what is happening. You need to be happy with yourself. So it gave me another confidence to start all over again. But when I got to the front, I changed my pattern. As you can see, I'm putting the attachment under instead of putting it up, because it's easier for me to put it under in the front, but the back was easier for me to put it on top of the hair that I've done. So the pattern of the weaving changed at the front. Any one that is the front I put it under, but the back I place the attachment on top. If you watch, you will understand what I'm saying and the way I'm doing it, so you don't get confused. Yeah, just like that. Just watch. This side my hand was paining me. I had to bend down to be able to hold down the hair, because the center of your hair is always very difficult to make. Even when you're weaving your own natural hair, it's always difficult to make. But we have to finish this hair, this look. I have to finish it. So the hair is almost done. I'm almost done with the hair. Just trying to make sure everything is clean and well arranged, and the pattern is very neat too. So that's what I'm doing. So, but if you want this thing to be smaller, you can reduce the size of the attachment or the extension that you're using. But I just want it to be medium size. So this is how I am doing it. Just like that. Just like that. So all you need for this hair is just your leave-in conditioner, your moisturizing butter or cream, whatever you're using to moisturize your hair, your rubber band, the oil that you put in your rubber band. Me, I use my Aloe Vera oil to apply. I mixed it with my rubber band, so the rubber band will not be applying tension on your root. It will be very smooth because the oil will help friction there. So that's why I used oil on the rubber band. But if you know how to make hair, I don't think you need the rubber band. to do this. But when you don't know how to make hair and natural hair, you need to hold it down very well, so the gel will help to hold it down, so it will be able to last you and look neatly done at the same time. So that's it, how I did it at the front. So if you think the video is taking too long, you can fast forward it so that you will see the end of the video and see the end look. I was blowing a kiss to my son, he was disturbing me, so yeah. So another thing, if you're using an old extension or attachment, you need to wash it first. But you can use warm water and the apple cider vinegar to wash it, so you can kill any bacteria that that has been accumulated on the attachment. If you want a video on how I washed the hair, maybe you can drop the link you can drop the comment in the comment section, so I will make a video on how to wash an old attachment and share with you guys. But for now, if you're using a new one, there is no need of washing. But if it's an old extension just like mine, you need to wash it so you don't get bacteria into your hair. So one thing about this style is you can customize it as you want. You can make it bigger, you can make the size in smaller, you can even make it medium size. So just play around with the attachment and customize it to your taste or to your desire. You can do the boss braid, you can braid it down without adding the twist, but I wanted to add the twist because it's what I wanted. You don't have to make your own, just as I did. You don't have to start with boss braid, you don't have to start with a twist. So you can just customize it to your taste and your desire. I customized this to my taste and desire. So this is just an inspiration to show you that it's easy and simple to make your own hair. If you're like me, that there's always scared of going to the salon to make hair, this will be very simple, and you'll be loving this method because with the rubber band everything works easier. You can cut the hair or shear the hair first, putting gel and rubber band all around it, then can start braiding, or you do as I am doing, I'm cutting and braiding at the same time. So whichever one way that is easier for you to do, you can just do it. But I assure you that this hair, you will love this hair when you finish, and you even be feeling super proud of yourself, because when I finished my own, I was very proud. I was shouting, hey, I'm proud of myself, I'm proud of myself. Everybody was just like, what is happening? So our hair is almost finished. We are on the last part. So our hair is finished. You can see how it is looking neatly done. As you can see, just add a little accessory just to accessorize the hair and make it look a little bit classy, you know. That's the final look, guys. I hope you're loving this hair, because me, I'm in love. Just check, even it's very full too, very long. That's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, leave a very nice comment for me in this comment section. So I'll see you in my next one. Bye.